Hello everyone, I am Divya Grover, here to help you take informed mutual fund investment decisions. During uncertain and volatile market conditions, large cap stocks stand out due to their relative stability compared to mid caps and small caps. The large cap universe comprises companies with well established businesses and strong balance sheets, making them less vulnerable to market risk. With a PE ratio of around 22, the valuation of the Nifty 50 index is trading near its long term average. This makes the segment reasonably priced with a decent margin of safety. In contrast, certain pockets of the mid cap and small cap segments are trading well above their historical averages. So, amid the current headwinds such as trade tensions, geopolitical tensions, and foreign capital outflows, large caps may potentially offer better risk reward metrics. In this video, we have shortlisted 3 large cap funds for your watch list in 2026 based on combined quantitative score that evaluates rolling returns and risk ratios. Number 1 on our list is Nippon India Large Cap Fund. Launched in August 2007, Nippon India Large Cap Fund focuses on long-term growth by identifying high growth potential stocks using a growth at reasonable price strategy. The fund seeks out high growth opportunities within large caps and across different sectors and industries, but avoids chasing market trends. While picking stocks, the fund focuses on criteria such as sound management quality, good track record, potential for growth, and the economic scenario. It lays emphasis on companies which are leaders or potential leaders with well established business models, sustainable and growing free cash flows, and have high ROE. The strategy has helped it excel in identifying long term winners and enabled it to deliver superior returns over the long run. In the last 5 years, Nippon India Large Cap Fund delivered returns at a CAGR of 24.5%, outperforming the 19% CAGR delivered by the benchmark Nifty 100 TRI. The fund has registered reasonable volatility, that is standard deviation. Additionally, its risk-adjusted returns, denoted by Sharpe and Sortino ratios, are currently among the best in the category. As of September 2025, the fund has assets under management worth Rs 465 billion, the third largest in the category. The fund usually holds a portfolio of 60 to 70 stocks. As per the September 2025 portfolio, the fund held 67 stocks. It allocated 85.1% in large caps, 9.7% in mid caps, and 3.7% in small caps. The top 10 stocks accounted for nearly 43.2% of its assets, with higher allocation to HDFC Bank, Reliance Industries, and ICICI Bank. The top 3 sectors of the fund are banks, auto and ancillaries, and infotech. The fund's core allocation to fundamentally strong large cap stocks and strategic investments in mid cap and small cap stocks allows it to generate reasonable alpha over the long run. Number 2 on our list is DSP Large Cap Fund. Launched in March 2003, DSP Large Cap Fund is a benchmark agnostic scheme in the large cap fund category. The fund adopts a top-down approach to analyze various sectors in the economy and the investment opportunities within the favored sectors. It conducts in-house research to seek both value and growth in the stock selection process. The fund's past performance has been ordinary and it failed to make a mark for itself among its peers. Notably, the fund has witnessed frequent change in its fund management team over the past decade, which likely impacted its performance. However, the fund has capitalized on the recent market rally, outpacing the benchmark and many of its peers. DSP Large Cap Fund takes concentrated bets in a few high conviction stocks and sectors. With this, the fund has managed to realize the full potential of its holdings, helping it generate a remarkable lead over the benchmark and the category average. In the last 5 years, DSP Large Cap Fund generated returns at a CAGR of 19.3% compared to 19% in the benchmark Nifty 100 TRI. The fund's volatility is the lowest among its peers, while it scores high on risk-adjusted returns compared to the benchmark and most of its peers. It usually maintains a focused portfolio, limiting the number of stocks to around 30. Currently, it has 30 stocks in the portfolio, of which 81.5% are in large caps and 3% in mid caps and 6.1% in small caps. The top 10 stocks comprise 56.7% of the fund's portfolio, with notable exposure in HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, and ITC. Its top sectors are banks, auto and ancillaries, and healthcare. The fund avoids chasing momentum and holds most of its stocks with a long term view. The fund also restricts exposure to mid caps and small caps and strategically manages its cash levels. This strategy has enabled the fund to restrict the volatility better compared to many of its peers and score high on risk return parameters. Number 3 on our list is ICICI Pru Large Cap Fund. Launched in May 2008, ICICI Pru Large Cap Fund boasts of a reliable long-term track record. The fund follows a bottom-up approach of stock picking, whereby it shortlists companies with a proven track record, quality management, and good growth potential. It aims to identify quality large-cap stocks in which the fund manager has high conviction. ICICI Pru Large Cap Fund primary focus is on identifying high growth potential stocks that are reasonably priced, enabling the fund to balance risk and return effectively. Over the years, the fund has demonstrated its ability to mitigate downside risk during market turbulence and deliver superior returns when market conditions improve. In the last 5 years, ICICI Pru Large Cap Fund's NAV grew at a CAGR of 22.4%, higher than the 19% CAGR delivered by the benchmark Nifty 100 TRI index. The fund's volatility is among the lowest in the category, and its risk-adjusted returns are among the best in the category. As per the September 2025 portfolio, it is the largest scheme in the large cap fund category with an AUM of Rs 730 billion. The fund usually holds around 60 to 70 stocks in its portfolio. As per the September 2025 portfolio, it held 63 stocks. Its allocation was 81.6% in large caps, 8.5% in mid caps, and just 0.1% in small caps. The top 10 stocks form 53.2% of the portfolio and include names such as HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, and Reliance Industries, among others. The top sectors are banks, auto and ancillaries, and crude oil. Backed by its high conviction stock selection, diversified portfolio, and a focus on risk management, ICICI Pru Large Cap Fund has effectively navigated market volatility. This brings us to the end of the video. Large cap funds invest in well-established companies with an aim to generate steady, long-term returns. While they may not generate extraordinarily high returns, they typically offer better downside protection than mid-cap and small-cap funds, making them suitable for investors seeking stability and steady growth of capital over the long run. That said, investments in large-cap funds are not without risk. They too are prone to market fluctuations. Thus, you should have a long-term investment horizon of at least 3 to 5 years when investing in large-cap funds. Please note that this video is for information purpose and does not constitute any kind of investment advice or a recommendation to buy, hold or sell a fund. Returns mentioned herein are in no way a guarantee or promise of future returns. For more guidance on mutual fund investments, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends and relatives. Signing off for now. Happy investing. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme related documents carefully. Registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL, and certification from NISM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.